Hi, my name is Eric Chung, CEO and founder of Business Growth and Exit Specialists. We are looking forward to work with you to achieve your business success. It is really awesome for us to be able to work with many small and medium-sized businesses to produce exceptional results, including to be BRW top 100 fastest growing companies in Australia, and also many award winners with accelerated profit and cash flow improvement, and more importantly, business value improvement. You might say, wow, that is really good. How do we do that? What really differentiates us is that there are three key elements why we work with business owners and produce excellent results. The first one is that we have developed methodology for growth and exit over many years of experience and research. So we got a proven track record accordingly. So for example, with business growth, we actually use the well-developed strategy-based methodology where we have a look at where you are now, where you are going to be, and how can we fine-tune your business model to get there. And very importantly, come up with the financial modeling so you can see when we press the button with you in terms of dollar and cent, what would it mean, whether you can sustain your cash flow, etc. And then of course, I guess the main thing is the implementation. We actually work with you, with our team and our other value added providers to make it work for you. So it's quite holistic in that approach. And similarly with business exit, we actually use a methodology that supported and approved by some bankers and professional bodies. To start with, a fair valuation of your business value. So when you get a partner in, or people want to negotiate about the business value, or in some cases for family cases that we actually been asked to value the business fairly, because the husband might say, look, the business worth 3 million. And the wife might say, well, okay, now there's 10 million. And then what is the real value in there? We actually need to come up with the value that can be scrutinized in court. It's very important to know, the starting point and where you want to be in terms of retirement. And we come up with the business exit strategy. Is it going to be direct sales? Is it going to be management buyout? Is it going to be a negotiation with your competitors? Is it going to be overseas buy, etc.? It's horses for courses. We got to understand what your business is and what is the possible exit plan. And very importantly, implement all the action to make it work for you. And I guess secondly, what is very important is that when we work with business owners, to be able to produce exceptional results, you've got to be very creative and very holistic in your approach. And the most important is got to be pragmatic. What we mean by pragmatic is within the means of the business, within the means of the sustainability of the cash flow, and also the resources that we can acquire along the way. Now, thirdly, I think it's quite important when we build businesses is that with our methodology, one eye we look at the present, the other eye look into the future. So your business is going to be a business of today and tomorrow, so it's going to be sustainable and profitable. And of course, eventually, we work with you toward your end journey of business exit solution. Now, talk is cheap. You might say, well, this all sounds good. What does it mean? If you have a look at our testimonials, they prove that we will be worthy to be a partner of choice for your business growth and exit journey. And we will work with you toward your business success. So please contact us to arrange for a 2 hours complimentary management meeting with you, so we can see what we can do to help you to achieve success.